In this video, I'm going to show you how to recolor some or all of your artwork. The first thing that I'm going to do is to open up my layer structure so I can show you how this artwork is created. I have one layer with my artwork on it, and I have a layer for my background, which is locked. Now with my object selection tool, I'm going to select one of my little pointed ovals, and from the Select Similar Options drop-down menu, I'm going to make sure that my fill color is selected. Then I'm going to click on Select Similar Options, and all of my little pointed ovals will be selected. At this point, I can just navigate to my Swatches panel and select a different color for the fill. If you would like to select another color theme for your artwork, there are two places to do that right in the Swatches panel. The first one is from the Swatches panel library. It is the little book icon in the lower left-hand corner of your Swatches panel. Once you find a theme that you like, just select its folder to add it to your Swatches panel. Next to the Swatch Libraries icon is the Adobe Color Themes icon. From the Adobe Color Themes icon, you can select some swatches that you like and also add those to your Swatches panel. Another thing that you can do is to make a color group out of the artwork that you have on your artboard. In this case, I've selected all of the artwork on my artboard, and I'm going to make a color group from that selected artwork. With all of my artwork selected, I'm going to go up to the Recolor Artwork icon and enter the Recolor Artwork panel. In the Recolor Artwork panel, I can see the artwork colors that I have, and I see on the side of the artwork panel that I have those color groups that were in my Swatches library, and if I click on each one of them, I can see how those swatches look when they're applied to my artwork. If I don't like the current assigned position of a color, I can also switch it. I can also change the positions of each one of the colors if I don't like what is being shown. There's also an icon at the bottom of the screen that lets me randomly change the color. Next to the random color selection is a random saturation selector. So these are also good ways to very rapidly go through a bunch of color changes that you might like to use. From the drop-down menu at the top of the screen, I can see variations on the colors that I've chosen. If I like a new color set, I can make a new group out of it and it will be added to my Color Groups panel. So I've just reassigned the beach theme to my artwork and I'm going to explore the Edit tool. If you lock the link of the Edit tool, you can move the points of color around, and each color will stay in relationship to the other colors that it's grouped with. So this is an easy way for you to look for other color themes that would be similar to the ones that you already picked. Additional color groups can always be saved to your color group panel, and then those swatches can be saved before you exit the Recolor tool. Thanks for watching.